All right. Hey there, Wade here, and in this video we are going to go over the basic if statement. All right, we're going to start talking about conditionals here and how to apply them in a Swift UI app. So in the next couple videos I'm going to step you through a few different ways: if statements, if else statements, and switch statements. All right, so let's get started. I have a basic app in Swift Playgrounds. Be sure to follow along using Playgrounds app if you're gonna copy my code as we go. I wouldn't worry about using Xcode yet. Just use Playgrounds and create an app. And make sure you create an app so that you can get the actual preview, okay? So we have a basic app. I haven't done anything to it. We're gonna start here. I'm gonna remove the image. We don't need that for this example. And we're gonna use some state variables. Basically, we're gonna do the sides of a cube and then we'll test it for true or false, okay? So let's do @state var sides of a cube, and let's make it equal 5, okay? So it should be incorrect from the start, and that's on purpose. Then let's do an @state variable as well for output, and we can just create a blank string for that. Then down here in text, let's go ahead and set this to output. So it's no longer hello world. And we should see it go away in the preview. Perfect. Okay, I think that's a good spot to start. Now, to put code in, functional code like this, we need a spot to do it in a lifecycle function. So in this VStack, we're gonna go to the onAppear method. And we'll go ahead and we can open it up. And any code that's ran in here will run when the VStack does appear, as in when the app first runs up in this situation, okay? So in here we can put our if statement. So all we're gonna do is do if sides of a cube, and you'll see that it's an integer, right? So we're gonna make it equal an integer. If we make it equal to 6, which would be how many sides a cube has, then if it's true, let's change the output text to success, and we'll give it a new line as well. Okay. Underneath it, let's go ahead and do output plus equals, okay, so add to it, and we'll just put this is always executed, all right? Okay, you can see things are already updating. Okay, so what has happened here? This is all we need to do this example. The conditionals preview is running, the onAppear function is running, it's checking if sides of a cube equals 6. If it's true, then go inside here and run this code, and then no matter what, always run this code, okay? You can see that success is not written in our preview, and that's because this is false. It's false because sides of a cube here is equal to 5, and we said if sides of a cube is equal to 6, then run this code. So watch what happens when I just change the code here from 5 to 6. You'll see success, this is always executed. So success means it has ran, it is true, our if statement's true, success has been added to output, and then on top of it, plus equals, we have this is always executed. That is a basic if statement in a Swift UI app. In the next video, we'll mess around with if and else statements, all right? So I will see you in the next video. Bye.